Hello there, family friends. If you're from across the world, Joey Jones, yes I am, I'm still here. If you don't find me on YouTube, catch me on YouTube Shorts. You know, those are those small videos, the short videos. They only allow me to put just 1 minute, but you'll find me there. And if you don't find me there, you'll probably catch me on TikTok, a little bit of Instagram. All right, my peoples. And first, let me say, first and foremost, God is good. And congratulations to all the ones that are Tina CDLs, all the ones that are driving by themselves, regional dedicated, home daily, over the road. I told you it's a blessing. It can be done. And today I'm going to do a back-end maneuver on a day cab. So the benefits of a day cab is that you have a big back window, and that's a big view. All right, my peoples. So use your mirrors. Be safe. Stay tuned. Alright, I just made it to the customer now. I'm gonna go ahead and blind back in. Both of my windows down, of course. Yeah, I got a blind back in. I was trying to do a... Let me see what I can find, because there's a spot right there. But I was trying to find the hardest spot, but... Yeah, I guess I can go with this one here. Yeah, see that one there? I'm gonna go right there with it. So then I'm gonna go ahead and count 3. Let me try to hurry up, because this guy here, he's about to move out. He's about to move on my way. So yeah, again, I have a day cab. What I like about day cab is because of this back window here. You can always see right now I'm opening the gap, then I'm closing the gap. The gap is what you see. The gap is the trailer next to you and your trailer. So the gap is what you see besides your trailer. So all you gotta do is just take your time. You know, don't oversteer. Let me show you something here. This is close the gap. This is opening the gap. So what I normally do is I close the gap and open the gap. So I try to do that maneuver, you know, back and forward. I don't try to like leave it on just one end and just babysit there. No, that's don't do that, because that's oversteering. All right, so try to go back and forward. All right, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you don't want to oversteer. Short pull-ups will do it. Yeah, you don't have to do long pull-ups, just short pull-ups. Just straighten out. Yeah, that's all it takes. Just short pull-ups, not long pull-ups. Short pull-ups, you'll be able to manage to straighten your trailer out with just simple, short pull-ups. You don't have to pull up all the way like all these drivers. You see them, you see when they come in, they'll just go all the way down and they'll start, you know, straight back in. Now, short pull-ups, that's all you need. Yep, see, that's it. I like to pop the rear one. Then I like to push back a little to get some of that tension off my fifth wheel. Then I pull the yellow one. So right now we're just gonna go ahead and drop this one. Yeah, so what I normally been doing is I've been doing a lot of 40-foot containers. They go in the port and stock them up on the ship, the vessel. Yeah, and as you can see, I like to zip tie my glad hands, only because they come out loose sometimes. Like just the other day on the highway. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and pull my fifth wheel release. I was just, you know, doing 35. Actually, it was on the main road, doing about 35. My rear glad hand came off and just popped off, and that there locked my my tandem rear brakes. Yep. Yeah, that was crazy. Luckily, there was nobody around. And of course, these landing gears, some of them, you gotta put your back into it, you know? You gotta really put some muscle into it. Like this one here. Yep. Sometimes they are stiff because of the corrosion, you know, wear and tear, old, rust. So here it is. There you go. Almost there. Perfect. So again, so if I'm coming in this way, right, and the trailers are on my left, I like to count 2 or 3. If it's a 53 footer, I'll count like 3. Because I'm hauling a 40 footer, I'll just count 2, and then I'll shoot to 3 o'clock, then 12. But then because I'm coming in this way, so because I came this way and I'm blind backing in, I just count 2, and then I shoot to 9, then back to 12. All right, my people, take your time, use your mirrors. Alrighty then. Let's go. All right, my peoples, I'll keep you posted in my next video. Be safe. Later.